Uh, Give me 1 second. Yeah. So, hi Sanjeet.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. And you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, okay. My name is Sanjit Kumar Singh, and I am from Bihar. And I have done my qualification, completed graduation, and also technical qualification. I completed my mechanical engineering, and I am a married. I have two kids, and now I am working in out of country in one.
Oh, Andaman. So you with your family?
No, no, no. I am a here single, not family.
Okay. So what kind of work you are doing there?
We are working as a maintenance, building maintenance. There have a oil and field, there have a oil and field plant. So you are provide the maintenance like all type of maintenance. You will provide this facility.
Okay, very nice. So, can you tell me about that, please? What is the mode of what is the mode of talking with each other, communication with each other?
What, madam?
How people talk with each other in English? Is there any
Yeah,
region
here
language?
actually here people are talking each other in English because there are many country are people, not only Indian people here. Here have maybe more than 10 country people are here. May Philippines, Indonesia, Nigeria, like that people are there. So need to communicate in English every time.
That's very nice. So, how you started your learning?
Because before I was in India, that time I not started in English speaking because there were no required, so I don't started. But when I came here before 3 months, came here, and then I have to require for English speaking. So now I started, and now I try to improve my more because here too much difficult to communicate to other people.
Yeah,
So now
yeah.
I started to improve my English on social media. So within 1 week, I started on social media. So now second session for my social media communication.
Oh, so with whom you had a first conversation?
One name is Sangita. Sangita ma'am is there, so I communicated with him.
Okay. So, how was your experience?
My experience is good. That communication is good going today. And now second communication with you.
Yeah, this platform is very nice. It is free of cost. We can talk with people and improve our language on our own, right? So,
Yes, yes.
I am talking to someone after I think 2 weeks, 2 or 3
Okay.
weeks. I took a pause because of my personal circumstances, and when you mailed me, I was in a dilemma whether I should do this conversation or not. Then I
Yeah.
decided, no, I think I should start.
Uh, be, uh, because you cannot get time because you have a duty. So only 2 days you can get time. Friday and Saturday I have a leave. So we will try to communicate more Friday and Saturday. I want to spend more time in the English speaking and also watching YouTube like your video and have a video. I watching and I want to try to learn something because you are facing too much problem. When I going in the duty, you are facing too much problem because suddenly we will start the English cannot speak English because
Yeah.
till now you didn't speak English and now we started within 3 months. So cannot communicate and cannot deliver to any our
So
means
I would love to know with you that what is your opinion about this language? Is it very tough or is it just a language? What do you think?
actually
Like
before
we
I don't know
in
anything that time
like
I thinking it is a very tough. You cannot speak fluently because I don't have a what's a word and I don't have a reminder grammar also because I long time leave the grammar when I study that time grammar study. Now maybe more than 15 year 20 year I didn't read grammar. So that time I thinking this is the very tough, but now I started, then I realized it's not tough. If you try to communicate more and more, then you can get easily.
yes, exactly. the same thing I wanted to convey through your mouth, through your feelings, that what is this language. You know, since last few days, when I'm not talking, I am not fluent. It it is just a matter of practice. If we will do a continuous practice, we can one day, even if I'm a fresher, one day we will learn this language. Only continuous practice is required, and it is not a very tough rocket science that we cannot understand. So, okay, through which part of Bihar you belong to?
Sorry,
You belong to which part of Bihar?
which part I cannot get
Which place
can
of Bihar? Can you
in Chhapra,
specify?
Chhapra.
Chhapra, Chhapra. Okay.
Yeah, near
So, you know,
the Patna, you have a 60 kilometer far from the Chhapra. So this one also district Chhapra, and we are belong from the Chhapra.
oh, very nice, very nice. So, okay, do you have any question?
Actually, ma'am, I want to ask I want to ask you that if you want to conversation in English with how many month I can speak fluently, because I only 2 days you give the time for the English speaking, and also on the field, on the job also I want to try to speak English. So what is required for the English speaking? What is the need? Any word, any sentence? What type of knowledge required for the easily can speak English?
You know, as per my observation, you are speaking and you are able to communicate your feelings, right? And I am
Yeah.
understanding whatever you are saying. And if you talk about the perfection, it will come out only when you will do continuous practice and start listening different videos, different words, how people are expressing their feelings. And when you will start listening them, you will observe them and adapt new words and new way of expression, right? So
Yes.
listening different conversation practice will help you a lot. And also you are very fortunate that you are surrounded with a circumstances where people are talking in English, right? So
Yes.
you take advantage of that, talk to several people without any hesitation, and
Yeah.
trust me, within 3 months you will improve a lot. I am doing the same. I do not have environment, but I am doing it through this platform. And
But
if you
your English is very good. You can
yeah,
speak fluently.
yeah,
But
if
because
you may go through my first video, you will get an idea that how I was speaking. I was very nervous, I was underconfident. I
when you
had
first started your making this a video, like when you first started
I started in the end of March.
this year 2023,
Yes, March.
but now much more better. You cannot say
Yes,
कि you are not well English. If you listen anybody, you can say it's a perfect English.
yeah. Only by speaking and listening different, and if you want, you may read also if you have an interest. So your vocabulary will get improved. And okay. So tell me how you feel there. Do you want to come India? Why you went there?
Actually, India is good, but here came for the earn the more money, because they have a low salary, here have a more salary, and also don't have any expended everything facility given by company, room, food, laundry, everything given by company, medical. So here
Very
nothing
nice.
spend the
So,
money.
oh, very nice. So how
Yeah,
frequently do you visit your place?
yeah. 6 month, 6 month after went 1 month for the vacation.
Oh,
Every six
very
month get one month
yeah, that's
vacation.
very nice.
Yeah, that is
So
good. If you long time cannot came here, na? Because if you 1 year, 2 year, you cannot stay here without family.
get to know about Chandrayaan 3
Yeah,
success.
I know. I when launched the Chandrayaan 3, that time full day we watching on the internet, on the mobile. When launched that time, I feel very happy, and surrounding me other people, other country also people, he can congratulate. That time I feel very proud.
Yeah,
India on the moon,
yeah.
and they are going to in the history, created the history. First South he landed the
Yeah, very proud moment for every Indians. And
Yeah,
you are
yeah, yeah.
taking the privilege, you're taking the privilege of taking congratulations from other people of
Yeah,
other.
because here get a more proud feel because maybe 10 to 20 country people are here and he congratulated ki your country will be make a history. That time I feel very proud and may some tear came in my eye. I feel very shaking my
Yeah,
body that time and
I
I feel
can
very
totally
proud.
understand. Yeah.
Mhm.
So
To connect again for only Friday and Saturday I will have a off. So only Friday and Saturday can
yeah,
connected
I
with
will
you.
try to connect you for making more videos for my channel.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay,
Have a nice day.
thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.